viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today I'm going to talk about Section 3 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872, which describes what is the secondary evidence. So according to Section 3 of the Indian Evidence Act means or includes the following ingredients. Number 1, certified copies as per the provisions mentioned herein after. Copies that are produced from the original by mechanically processes which ensures the accuracy of the copy and copies compared with such copies. Now, for example, as we apply for the certified copies, those certified copies are the secondary evidences. Now, copies that are produced from the original by mechanical processes that are known as the certified copies. Then copies produced from a compared within the original. Then counterparts of documents as against the parties who has not executed them. Oral accounts of the contents of a document which is given by the person who has himself seen the document. Now, talking about the illustration under Section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act, number 1, a photograph of the original document. It is proof that the thing photographed was original. The photograph is considered secondary evidence of its contents, even through the way two may not have been compared. Second, copy of letter made by the copying machine. If it is proved that the copy of the letter was made from the original that with the help of a copying machine, then the copy as compared with the original letter shall be admissible as a secondary evidence of its content. Photocopy of any document is considered as the secondary evidence in the court of law. Then a copy of transcript from a copy, which means a copy transcript from the copy is admissible as secondary evidence only when it is afterwards compared with the original one. For example, there is an original document and when you get photocopy of that particular document, that will be termed as a secondary evidence in the court of law. I hope you are clear with the concept of the secondary evidence under Indian Evidence Act. If not, then do let me know in the comment section so that I can clear up all your doubts regarding this particular session. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.
Okay.